Why would I not enjoy coming here and talking about a great student? It's not hard, right? Really, it's not hard. She's a perfect person to receive the Young Alumnus Award because her book was not just a New York Times and international bestseller. Her book is exactly what we dream about when we're teaching workshop here at UC Riverside. For her to go to New York and have this book bought by Sarah Jessica Parker and for the first choice for her imprint, but also to have this book reach around the world. I can't think of a better person to get this award because she has really brought this notion of what does it mean to be a UCR student, to be first generation, to be open and engaging, to be willing to explore different forms of narrative, and to carry California in your heart. I can't think of a better person than Fatima. Fatima came to me as an undergraduate student in our creative writing department, and she was so full of intellectual curiosity that she quickly became one of my favorite students. And what I remember most is I have my office hours at Coffee Bean, and we would meet outside at Coffee Bean, and she made this huge transformation. And what I remember so vividly about her was when she was first at UCR, she was very shy, and by the time she left, she was just so open, and she was full of laughter. And Fatima, I'm not making this up, she really, I can see her across from me at Coffee Bean right now. I can see this sort of transformation, and she just started to sparkle.